Hello everyone out there. Welcome back Epic Squad. On this part, we have this number 5145 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5145. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5145 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 5145 by 3, which equals 1715. So 5145 divided by 3 equals 1715. Dividing 1715 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 1715 by 5, which equals 343. So 1715 divided by 5 equals 343. Dividing 343 by 5. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 343 by 7, which equals 49. So 343 divided by 7 equals 49. Dividing 49 by 7, which equals 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5145 are 3 times 5 times 7 times 7 times 7, which can be written as 3 times 5 times 7 to the power 3. And this were the whole prime factors for this number. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and share.